In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove phone number from Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to remove your phone number, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, settings and privacy, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option settings. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. What you have to do is tap on the option account center that you can see at top. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find various options related with account center. Tap on this option profiles and personal details that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your profiles and personal details over here. Tap on this option contact info that you can see on the screen. Now if you want to remove the phone number, you'll be able to see your phone number and all your email addresses over here. Tap on the phone number that you would like to remove. Now after you do that, you can see over here either you'll be able to confirm the number or you'll be able to delete the number. So tap on this option delete number that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. If you delete the number, you'll no longer be able to use it to reset your password or receive the notifications. So tap on this option delete that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your number has been removed from the Facebook. So that is how you remove phone number from Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.